This question is from GATE 2013, Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 16. A cube-shaped casting solidifies in 5 minutes. The solidification time in minute for a cube of the same material, which is 8 times heavier than the original casting, will be dash. The information that is given here is for one of the castings, time taken, we can take it as T1 is 5 minutes. This is the solidification time taken for one cubic casting. Now there is another cube made up of same material, but it is 8 times heavier than the original casting. So for comparing the heaviness, we can use mass. Mass of the second casting M2 is given to be 8 times the original casting. Mass of the original casting M1. So we can write this relationship. Now we have the formula solidification time equal to a constant C into volume of casting by cross-section area of casting whole square. So we can substitute the mass in terms of volume as density into volume will be equal to 8 times density of first cube into volume of first cube. As the material is given same, we have rho 2 equal to rho 1 equal to 1 value rho. So we have V2 equal to 8 times of V1. Let's see how this problem will be solved further. So if we write solidification time T1 for first casting is C. As material is same, C will also be same. So C into volume 1 by area of cross section 1 whole square. For second, we can write T2 equal to C into V2 by A2 whole square. Now we need to have V1 and A1 in terms of sides, in terms of the side of the cube. So let side of first casting be A1 and side of second casting be A2. Then we can write volume of first casting will be A1 cube and area of cross section of first casting will be A1 square. Similarly, V2 is A2 cube and A2 is A2 square. Let's substitute them in the solidification times. So we have, anyway we want to relate T1 and T2, so we'll take ratio of T1 by T2 is equal to. While taking the ratio, C by C gives 1. Now V1 is A1 cube and capital A1 is small a1 square. So we have A1 cube by A1 square whole square by A2 cube by A2 square whole square. This gives us A1 square by A2 square. Now we derived the relationship between volumes. It was V2 equal to 8 times V1. We can substitute the volume in terms of sides. So it is A2 cube by 8 times A1 cube. Therefore, relation between A2 and A1 is A2 equal to cube root of 8 2 times A1. You can substitute A2 as 2 times A1. So we will have this ratio as A1 square upon 4 times A1 square, because we are substituting A2 as 2A1, so we'll get 2 square 4 into A1 square. Be careful with this step. Therefore, we finally get T1 by T2 is equal to 1 by 4 and T2 will be equal to 4 times T1. T1 is already given to us as 5 minutes, so we have 4 into 5. Solidification time for second casting is 20 minutes. Let's go back and mark the correct option. So it is 20 minutes. Option B is the correct one. To learn more about solidification time, you can refer to the NPTEL video Solidification Time for Permanent Mold Casting from the course Manufacturing Process Technology Part 1. This course is by Professor Shantanu Bhattacharya. He is from IIT Kanpur. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.